Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious tilapia with sauce on the side. For the fish, I used 4 medium-sized tilapias, cleaned with tap water and 1 juice of a lemon, seasoned both sides. And for the marinade and the sauce, I used 2 Maggi cubes. You can use salt or all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a cup of homemade ginger juice. You can use ginger paste, sunflower oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of spring onions, 1 red onion, you can use the brown one, yellow bell pepper, green sweet bell pepper. For the fish marinade, I'm gonna use oil, white pepper, Maggi cube, and the fish sauce. I'm gonna add some water. So that's the marinade for the fish. I'm going to marinate the fish and leave it to marinate for half an hour to 45 minutes. After 1 hour, I'm ready to grill the fish. So what I did, I'm going to show you. I've been turning the fish every 15 minutes over so that the marinade can get on both sides of the fish and make it really delicious. For the sauce, I blended all the remaining vegetables. Two tablespoons of oil, cook the vegetables until all the water reduced. One side of the fish is done. Now I'm going to turn it over and cook the other side. The fish is done. I'm going to remove it from the oven dish, put it aside, and continue with the sauce. Delicious. I'm going to add hot water just to deglaze the pot because I need a fish sauce for the vegetable sauce. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to strain the sauce because I just need the stock and not the remaining stuff of the fish. I will pour in the fish stock and season the sauce until not all the water reduced, but until cooked, and then we are going to serve. And here you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bon appetit. Bye.